When organizations move support operations to Jira Service Management Cloud, tickets and time tracking come with them. Support contracts often do not. Teams still need to know which customer agreement covers the work, how much has been consumed, what remains, and what ends the agreement. Support time contract management adds that missing entitlement layer directly inside JSM, with 3 contract models for 3 different customer promises. Choose fixed, when support is available for a defined period. For an SLA or warranty without an hours limit, turn contracted hours off. Worklogs are still collected for reporting, while the agreement remains valid until its end date. Choose recurring, when the customer receives a new allowance every month or year. The entitlement renews automatically, and unused hours can optionally roll into the next period. Choose Our Bank when a customer purchases a prepaid pool of support time. The contract can remain active until every hour is used, without an artificial end date. Or add a deadline and let the agreement expire when either the balance or the date is reached, whichever comes first. Define which JIRA requests belong to the contract using organizations, projects, and standard fields, or use advanced JQL for more precise scope. Enable portal visibility when customers should see the balance themselves. The Support Time Contract panel lives right inside the issue, showing the linked contract, hours logged, hours remaining, and current status, without leaving the ticket or opening a separate dashboard. Contract type and validity dates sit right beside it, so agents know instantly whether the plan still covers the work. For internal reporting and reconciliation, administrators can also download contract reports containing the related JIRA issues and work log details. Customers can view their available contracts directly in the JSM portal. Depending on the agreement, they see remaining days or remaining hours, or both remaining days and hours, giving them the same contract position as the service team. Bring ticketing, time tracking, and support contract visibility into one Atlassian workflow. Try Support Time Contract Management for JSM on the Atlassian Marketplace.